All right, guys, so I wanted to give a quick update of where we're at with the city and why there haven't been any updates recently. So we did a review recently on some of these sets, and we're trying to incorporate them into this pier area, and this has been a big challenge. But basically, we're trying to get a roller coaster to fit on this whole pier. As you can see, the pier has started to take shape. We're still kind of filling in some of this, and it's not going to be multicolored like this. We're going to tile it the same tile pattern that we use for the sidewalks, and there's going to be a back wall. We're still waiting on some parts. But essentially, we're having issues with making the roller coaster work and fit in a way that we can also incorporate the Ferris wheel and some other rides, take some of the rides from the set and incorporate them down here as well. So that's been the delay, and it is creating a mess down here while we work through everything. It's essentially caused us to pause on building all the other parts. The only other thing that we're working on is down by the airport, which I'll show you, which is a new entrance area. And as you can see, it's multi-level. So the bottom level will be the arrivals and the top level will be the departures with entrances to the airport. But all that's still a work in progress because the airport's kind of acting as a staging area right now while we work through everything else. So a lot of work to be done and probably going to be a little while until we have an official update.